Ymax Amazon Option Income Strategy ETF, or AMZY, has become one of the best performing Ymax ETFs of all times. You know, there are few that have done really badly, like Tesla, but this ETF has done great. Right now, the price right now is 22.72, and we can see the year-to-date total return has returned about 23%. You know, at one point it was all the way to 24, because if we look at 52-week range, it was 18.30 to 24.10. So this is very good lesson, guys. So, you know, some people say, well, you know, they won't recover, but look at this. This AMZ was at one point $18. Look, and then it went all the way to 18 to 24, and right now is at 22. So that means it has recovered from where it was at 18. So yes, these funds can come down and can recover. So if you pick at right time, for example, if you pick at $18, your gain is massively. Right now, if we look at the max, look, it started only at 20, and right now is at 22.72. So this is not total return overall. I'll show you exactly the price in this video today. I'm going to show you how you can generate from 5,000 to 8,000 using Amazon option income strategy ETF from Ymax. And also I'm going to show you the real price right now if you are to invest all the dividends. So let's go. AMZY Ymax Amazon option income strategy ETF distribution right now is 51.39. Look at the distribution. The first time they did distribute, the amount was in September 18, 2023. So it's becoming almost, it's coming to one year anniversary almost. You know, we're still 3 months shy from that. And the last distribution was in May 8th this year, of course, just about like 3 weeks ago. Overview of this fund. So Ymax Option Income Strategy ETF is an active managed fund that seeks to generate monthly income by selling and writing call options on Amazon. AMZ pursues a strategy that aim to harvest a compelling yield while retaining capped participation in the price gain of Amazon. So this tells you that, I mean, you're not going to get the same result as an Amazon stock, for example, right? Because this is a cover call strategy. So it's mainly for passive income investors if you're looking to generate passive income while having exposure to Amazon, right? That's a main goal of this fund. Investment objective, of course, it has two objectives as usual. Any of these Ymax ETF or any other ETFs that is more for passive income investor, the first objective is usually to generate that monthly income, and the second objective is to have exposure to the stock or index that the ETF or the fund is following, right? So those are the two objectives. And if we look at information of this fund, it's traded on New York Stock Exchange, and inception, it was incepted in July 24, 2023. So it's coming almost to about a year since it was incepted, because right now we're almost going to June, so 1 month shy. Then this fund will have, will be a 1 year old. Primary exchange is New York Stock Exchange, so it's a pretty solid exchange, and management expense ratio is 0.99. So plus all the fees and everything like that is about 1.1, I believe. Asset under management right now, it has a lot of money right now. It's over 100 million, so that's a good. So now, if we look at this is performance, right? This performance from since inception, this fund has returned about 37%. Right, yes, this is of course this is inception including your dividends, right? The one I showed you on the chart was just the performance without the dividends, but if you put all the dividends, cumulative has returned about 37.31. So if you're an investor who has reinvest those dividend, and then about at the lower price, your performance is even better than this one. So now let's go to a spreadsheet, show you how you can generate 7,000, 5,000 to 8,000 a month. So this is a distribution overall since they start distribute in September of last year to the last distribution they pay in May 8th, 2024. So we can see the highest has paid so far was actually in May. It was 97 cents. And then on average, if you combine all this together, it's 61 cents so far. And then distribution, since they start paying together, they have paid about $5.48. So now, remember I told you the price of that. Right now, the price is at 22 right here. 22 2272. If you add that 2272 plus the dividend that they've paid, which is this one here, 548, yeah, the price you're getting right now is 28.37. So don't consider that price of 22 is a 28 if you reinvest all the dividends. If you've used the dividend, of course, if you've spent it, then you're still up, and of course you've gained a lot of money. $5 per share, right? 548 per share is pretty good, guys. At this price of 22.72 right now, the yield, if we go the current yield that they just paid in May, and let's say they retain that or higher than that, your yield right now will be 51%. And then if you go just on average, your yield will be 61%. 61 cents, and then your yield will be only 32%. But it's still high. 32% is a lot. If you generate 32 every year, that's a lot of money. Now, current distribution, if you invest $100,000. By the way, before you jump, because some people say, well, I don't have $100,000. Below, I'm going to show you if you have less than that, 10,000 and 20,000, how much you're going to generate. So $100,000, if you invest it, now you're getting about 51,232 annual income, and that will be 4,269. And if you invest at 200,000, you can get 8,539, and that's 102. That's a lot of money, guys. That 102, that's a huge money to retire right there. And then if we go on average, because average was a little bit lower, it was $6, 6 cents, right? 61 cents, right? That right there. If you go with that average, which is a number more conservative, I'll go with, then you're getting with 100,000 to 200,000, you're getting between 2,685 a month to 5,370. And annual income will be between 32,200 to 64,000. So imagine if you have 200,000 today, you invest in that ymax Amazon, you are getting 64,000. 64 is enough money for a lot of people to just retire with this, right? So now you don't have that much money, you have very little. Well, what can you do? Now we have that too, guys. If you invested $10,000, you're gonna get 5,000 annually, and then that'll be 427. And if you invested 20,000, which is a double the 10, you're gonna get 854, and then that's 10,246 a year. That's good money, can help you pay a lot of bills, including all insurance. 854. You can pay a lot of bills with this, right? Now if we go on average, you're gonna get about with 200,000, you're gonna get about 5,370, and you're gonna get about between 32,000 to 64 annually. So that's it, guys. I just wanna keep you an update on how you can generate between 5,000 to 8,000 a month using AMZY, Amazon income option strategy from ymax. So there you have it. If you haven't subscribed, just make sure to subscribe. And if you like this content, always give me a like. And till I meet again next video. Bye bye.